Sound is a fundamental part of human experience. It's deeply connected to our emotion and the physical connection we have to the spaces that we're in. And therefore, the ability to completely and naturally change sound is a powerful tool in shaping human experience. Spatial gives you the canvas to completely transform your space. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, more exciting, more comfortable. You can bring the outside world in. And all of those are just really tremendously powerful tools when it comes to shaping the experience of being somewhere. Spatial experiences are living, interactive soundscapes meant to run 24/7. They're based on real-time objects with physical properties and behaviors, all leveraging the physics of sound from the real world. Spatial can adapt your experience to fit any kind of space. You can install speakers anywhere, in any configuration, and Spatial will adapt in real time to create the best possible version of your experience, all without a single edit to your content. Adding inputs and outputs to your scene brings Spatial to the center of a complete interactive experience. So that can include basics like a motion sensor or a full computer vision system. Even something like knowing the weather outside can change how the scene renders and creates a different experience in your space. And when your scene can use a little extra impact, Spatial can output to lighting, control systems, displays. We can go as far as your creativity will.